Hey Ethan, did you know that...
What? Are you stealing my one and only thing?
I have to, because this is a did you know moment. Did you guys know that Nathan's makes literally the biggest colossal hot dogs, wieners, whatever you want to call them, I've ever seen in my life. I saw these in the store. I knew I had to get them, take them home to sandwich in between garlicky cheese brioche buns. We're griddling these hot dogs with a little crisscross action so that each piece of this hot dog can kiss that griddle, seasoned with a little SPG, some garlicky butter. Oh my God, everything about this is so good. You guys are gonna love it. Let me show you how. Nathan's colossal hot dogs. I saw these, I knew I wanted to make them. We're starting off with a little garlic butter for our brioche buns. I've got some softened, unsalted, tongue twister there, butter into a bowl. We're gonna grate in some fresh garlic cloves and take a shortcut adding some dried parsley. If you wanna add fresh, go for it. Give it a mix, slide that aside, and now I've got a block of sharp cheddar cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you want, but fresh grated so that it melts extra good here. Once that's done, we'll move over to these, oh my gosh, Ethan, these jumbo colossal hot dogs from Nathan's. I don't even know if they're gonna fit in these buns, but we're gonna give it a try. I'll line up my hot dogs. I love giving them a little crisscross action with the knife, all lined up at one time, then give them a rotate and do that again, and there you go. You've got some crisscross action, perfect for soaking up the flavor on the griddle. After they're done, it's time to move on to these brioche buns, and I'm hoping they're big enough to hold these colossal dogs. We'll open them up, give them a smear of our garlic, parsley, butter on both sides. Now it's time to start cooking. I've got my griddle heated to medium heat. We'll go down with a little bit of oil, drop down our hot dogs, and let them start frying. If you need to add more oil, do it. I'm seasoning these up with the Blackstone SPG, which is just a little salt, pepper, and garlic. We'll let these hang out and cook, rotating them back and forth until they are done to my liking. We'll drop these buns down to toast for about 30 to 60 seconds. Then we'll grab our Blackstone expandable tray. If you've not seen this, this is one of my favorite things to use because you can use it directly on the Blackstone and it expands to double in size. This, we're gonna put our toasted brioche buns on. This way the bottom of our buns can stay nice and warm, and we can grab our shredded cheese to sprinkle over them and let that just start to melt down. Our dogs are looking done to me. Time to get these into the buns. Then we'll plate these up piled high on my cutting board. A little extra cheese sprinkle over the top and a little post dust of our parsley just for presentation. Now, unfortunately, you have to watch me eat this colossal dog. I've made a lot of hot dogs over the years. I mean, we've had Reuben hot dogs. I kind of want mustard and onions, but I don't think I'm gonna miss it because
no ketchup?
No, this is garlic cheese bread. Ew, on a hot dog? If anybody tells me they eat ranch on a hot dog, you're not allowed to watch my videos anymore. I'm just kidding, you can eat whatever you want. But I've made a lot of hot dogs. We've made Italian hot dogs, mac and cheese topped hot dogs. My Reuben hot dogs are one of my favorite videos, go back and watch them. But this is cheesy garlic bread, maybe like a grilled cheese hot dog. I don't know, either way it's big and I'm ready to eat it and enjoy it. Go find yourself some colossal dogs and griddle them, send a picture. I'd really love to see that one. Bye guys.